in business, and businesses should look at the long term. And there's a temporary blip in terms of the relationship, and there's an ongoing trade war. But what we are looking at is beyond that. And in a way, this trade war comes at a very ironic time, because we are in a time in history when China is shifting from a manufacturing, export-led economy to a consumption-driven economy. So there are now 300 million Chinese consumers that are demanding and desiring to buy from all over the world. So there's a great opportunity for producers from America, from Europe, to sell to China, accessing this large consumer base.
Right, and last June I was in Detroit at your Gateway Summit, where you were advertising, in a sense, or marketing the possibilities to U.S. businesses. Recently, Jack Ma, your company's founder and chairman, wrote and said, you know, a trade war is going to hurt millions of American small businesses and farmers. You really believe that's true?
It's already happening, and it's because soon after the U.S. put on tariffs on some Chinese products, China felt that it had no choice but to retaliate. And the retaliation, for example, one of the items that's Chinese put on the tariffs is soybeans, right? So there's $14 billion of soybeans that every year the United States sells to China. That's 2/3 of the U.S. soybean exports.
Do you think it jeopardizes in any way the platform you're trying to build by getting U.S. businesses to sell to that Chinese consumer?
I think in the long run, it doesn't jeopardize anything. We are, we want to access the small businesses in the United States. And even if there are some tariffs on some of the items, there's still a lot of other categories that these present great opportunities. Things like cosmetics and baby products and other food items, fruits. So there's a lot more that we could do to help small businesses.
And you're not concerned it will continue to escalate?
Well, you're always concerned that that governance will come in temporarily. Because we're sort of in a trade war, and both governments feel like that this has to be a tit-for-tat kind of battle. But I think looking out in the long run, we are very, very optimistic, because the secular market is there, the consumer base is there in China.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.